Welcome to, this is called DREAMSCAPERS. That's the name of this cabin right here. We're in what they call Cripple Creek Estates. And it's pretty cool. They have the elevation is 9,684 feet. Let's take a look. First of all, this is your view. Look here. This is your view. Now you're up pretty high, as you can tell. You're up pretty high, and so you'll be huffing and puffing like I am. So anyway, this is the porch. Take you up the porch, or patio, if you want to call it the patio. Now we brought our own chairs, so we sat on our own chairs, or folding chairs. But they have a bench right here. And a swing. And this is your view from the porch. Patio, something. And they also have some sleds, so like if it's snowy, this is obviously this is a slope. This is straight downhill, man. I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but this is down. So this is what it looks like from this side. This is facing more towards the east, and you have a little deck up there. And I'll show you guys that here in a second. All right, now we're inside the house, and this is the kitchen. Something unique about this is bear repellent. We haven't seen any bears. The instructions clearly say do not leave trash outside. So yeah. No trash outside here because bears. The living room here, this is so awesome. Look at this. Look at this. Now, I've enjoyed this whole time here. No TV. I have totally disconnected pretty much. I mean, the Wi-Fi here. I mean, I have no cell service, which is pretty cool. But this is your living area right here. Has a stove, or a wood burning stove. The nights here, it's been in the 40s pretty much. We haven't had to use any heat or anything. There's no AC here. You don't need an AC. It's nice and cool, and you could see outside really well. Can't really tell because of the camera, but it's the same view as the porch, right? And so downstairs we have bathroom, we have living room. Now when you leave, the instructions say to take off all the sheets and stuff like that, to have them washed. So a little peek inside here. So this is downstairs. This is downstairs. And then, yeah, you got a dining table. The dining table right here. And then you go upstairs. Upstairs looks like this. Let's go upstairs. This is a nice painting that we're going to probably go look into from this lady, Katie Crowell? Is that her name? She did this painting. We'll look into that, right? So these stairs will make you kind of, you already, because of the altitude, you will get, shortness of breath. If you go to Safeway, not in Cripple Creek, they don't have but like in Woodland, was it Woodland Park? They have these air canisters, like 15 bucks a piece. Totally worth it. Need one right now. So this is a bedroom right here. This is where my daughter stayed at. And this is, go out here to the little patio area. So nice views. Pretty private. Now there is a road. Right, oops, excuse me. There is a road right in through here, but no one really travels on it. Maybe a handful of vehicles a day. That's it. A handful of vehicles a day. It's pretty. It's kind of remote here. It's kind of remote, and it's nice. It's quiet, very quiet. It's very quiet. And then here's the upstairs bathroom. Here we go. Upstairs bathroom. And this only has a shower. No bathtub up here. So, still really neat. Love the decor in here. Love the decor. Little sitting area now. I didn't even mess with this monitor. I don't know if it's a monitor or TV. I don't care. Didn't even mess with it. There's a record player. Kind of cool. Never did listen to any records though. But listened to like a local radio station which was playing like oldies. And this is the third bedroom. Now this one has a bunk bed. So this is a place. This is a place right here. It's totally cool. This is we got this through AirBNB, and it's totally worth it. Better than staying in Colorado Springs at a motel or a hotel or anything. Especially as many nights as we stay. We stayed what? This is 3 nights. Stayed 3 nights, and yeah, just totally awesome place here. These couches are super comfortable. This is way worth it. Way worth staying in something, a place like this. Definitely, we'll probably do something like this. Would we do this exact one again? Probably. Definitely worth coming back to. But we may try some different spots out in the state. But if we wanted to stay at Cripple Creek or in the Colorado Springs area, this would be the place for sure. This would be the place, because this is totally like, man, just the mountain air. The mountain air. Oh my gosh, so awesome, right? Look at this view. Look at that view. One thing that you'll notice as I get back indoors, one thing that you'll notice is that there is lots of wildlife, lots of mule deer, and they are not afraid of you. I've gone up to them. They'll start walking away, but they won't run away. Turkey, there's turkey here. We saw a badger. Not a whole lot of birds. Kind of disappointed. There are birds, but other than a turkey and some flying, a couple of flying ones, I was hoping to see a hawk or something, right? But not a whole lot of birds. Let's see what else. I don't know if they're prairie dogs or groundhogs or whatever, but there are a bunch of those. Let's see. Like I said, there's so much talk about bears around here, but we didn't see a single bear. Yeah. So, but come up in here and come out quietly on the patio, and there'll likely be deer out here feasting. Man, I hope you guys got a little something out of this little tour. This is how we spent our week in Colorado, and ready to get back cruising. Yeah, but this is we may start doing a little bit more of this, and maybe do a little bit of this around the country too, not just here in Colorado. Maybe hit Utah, maybe hit the Northwest somewhere, maybe even the Appalachians. Definitely the coast. because we are fans of the sea. But anyway, from Dreamscape, #Dreamscape, Cripple Creek, Colorado. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little tour of this place. So if you see this on Airbnb, this is what you get. Hopefully you guys may see this. And I'm sure the owners probably, oh, by the way, this is not, from what I understand, this is purely an Airbnb or a rental, right? I don't think, from what I know, I don't think you're staying in someone's house per se. You know what I mean? Because you get that a lot, I'm sure, on our Airbnb. I think this is, because this is like brand new. This is like brand new. Now there could be somebody, but from what I understand, this is an investment by somebody, and this is purely a rental. So just if you do come here, keep clean up. So we've spent all morning kind of cleaning up, and we still got a little bit left to do. That's the reason why I haven't showed you all too much. But leave it the way you found it, basically, is what they say, and that's what we're doing. So from Cripple Creek, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Cruising content coming at you very soon. 73.